Hello everyone. In this video tape, I will talking about how could we install DevC++. After we search for DevC++, we can click download. When you click it, it will start download. So you can see the status in the corner. Okay. Right now, I press start download now. And say that your download is to start shortly. Okay, now when it start, the status in this corner will show you. But okay, now it finished. We can click and wait for installation process. Now it's updating data. Okay. I just choose English language, and then I just agree with the condition, okay, to install this software. With this case, I just follow the default. Okay, now we press next to continue installation. Well, this is the positions or the address we save the software. That's fine. Now the installation process is start. We wait for a few more minutes, okay, until the installation is completed. Wow, it's very fast. Well, with this installation, okay, for DevC++, is suitable for the Windows user only. As I mentioned before, if you be a Mac OS user, so you have to use another software, and I already introduced you, okay, some option. Why we need to install this one when we get the online versions for us? I think it's a better idea if you can work offline or just work with your computer without using internet. That's it. Okay, now we finish installation, and the software is ready to be used now. Give me a minute, because this machine is not my computer. It's just using the computer that run Windows system. Okay, now when I start call the program DevC++, this is the environment. Then I just start the new source file. The source file is come from the keyword source code. Okay, with this case, I recommend you to save the file first. So you just choose the folder that you want, okay, and save the file by using the extensions format that you want. Also, if you want to do programming in C program, okay, so you just end up with .c. And if you want to use C++ style coding, so you just end with the extension .cpp. That's it. Now I choose the position or the folder where I keep my file, and give me a second. I think I better save it in, well, I just save it in document then, and I just name my source code as test.c. Wow, it's very small. Let I set up the environment to make the font size bigger. So where should I set up? Give me a second. Well, I think, no, this one's very small. What can I do? Let's see. Yeah, I think must be editor option. Okay, it must be editor option. Okay, now when I go to editor option, we get the font. So I just increase the size of the font. Okay, now we can see this one much more easier. Okay, after I increase the size of the fonts for text editor, I just start coding. Oh, sorry, I pressed it wrongly from the keyboard. Include stdio.h, and then after that I start with define the main function, become the integer function. Okay, and in the function body, between the function body, you must remember that we have to return some integer. For this moment, I return 0. After that, I'm just using the command printf, put the string that I want. Oh, sorry, it's automatic setup. Hello, students. And don't forget to put the semicolon after every command. So with this case, you can see that I put it in wrong position. Then we get some error message. Okay. Now, after I fix it, this one I run the program. So it said that the program is complete without error, without warning. So it's perfect. And this one show how good you run the program. Okay. Sorry, the first one I just compile the program. Now I run it. And this style I can both compile and then immediately run the code. And this is the result. Okay, and that's how could we use Dev C++ for our C programming.